the value add to the customer, and you're building that into your model going in. Is that accurate?
Yeah, I mean, the hardest thing to engineer, especially these days with AI, is user behavior. That's what everybody's after. And so with digital products in particular, but really with any product, I mean, it's just, if you're selling tennis balls to a retailer, you just have less access to these behaviors and who these people are. In digital products, you have quite a lot. It just helps you really make use of the things that are easy and the things that are hard in the operating environment for digital stuff.
That makes sense. I'm very curious, like what digital products that you see kind of coming down the pipeline these days that might be really changing, how we interact with our world. Do you have any of those coming down?
Oh, well, I think that the most interesting thing, at least in my domain and my things I see with my students, are the incorporation of these AI chat experiences into more purpose-oriented user experiences. For example, I teach a coding course at UVA Darden for the MBAs, and we start out using a really simple environment, and they use just regular ChatGPT like anybody would go to. And that works okay, but they're moving stuff around and they're copying and pasting. And then we use this IDE, which is just sort of a local piece of software, integrated development environment that developers use to build software. It's a little more sophisticated. It's not a great thing to introduce to this type of learner at the beginning of the course because there's a lot of things that it does that they won't understand or won't care about yet. And anyway, what they learn with this particular IDE that's very AI forward is how good it is at deciding what context you're looking at to fix your code. And so, for example, the previous set of what we would now call AI, things like Google's really great at predicting what search results to show a user or what ads to show them. Those things were extremely consolidated and into a few big franchises like Google and Facebook and Amazon, whereas these AI tools create a very long tail of opportunities across industries or franchises. I mean, if you don't have to have a whole big ton of data about your users and the things that they're doing. With just a little bit, you can make enormous improvements to things like support processes, sales processes,